In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup emails in Gmail. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by emails that appear bundled together in your inbox, like an endless thread of messages, then today's guide is just for you. We're going to break that chain by learning how to ungroup your emails, thereby making your inbox much more manageable. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. Navigate to your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're using a computer or a device that gives you access to the full Gmail settings. Once your inbox is open, look towards the top right corner where you'll find a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select See All Settings. This step is crucial because it leads us to the area where most of Gmail's customization options reside. Once you've entered the full settings menu, you'll see multiple tabs across the top. You're going to want to click on the General tab, which is usually the first option. This tab contains general settings that apply to your entire Gmail experience. As you scroll down the page, you're looking for an option labeled Conversation View. Now here's where the magic happens. Conversation View is the feature responsible for grouping your emails. Gmail calls this threaded email conversations. And while it helps some people keep track of related messages, it can feel cluttered for others. You'll notice that beside Conversation View, there are two radio buttons. Your goal is to switch the selection from Conversation View On to Conversation View Off. Simply click Conversation View Off, and you'll be effectively telling Gmail to stop grouping your messages. This means that from now on, every new email you receive will appear as an individual item in your inbox, not bundled with previous messages on the same topic. After making this selection, remember to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes. Making sure you hit Save Changes is key because otherwise, none of the adjustments you've made will actually take effect. Once saved, you've successfully turned off the conversation view, and you should notice your emails in the inbox are now displayed individually. This small change can drastically impact how you navigate through emails, especially if you prefer dealing with each message on its own. It's all about improving visibility and efficiency in how you handle emails. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to ungrouping emails in Gmail, designed to make life a little less cluttered and a bit more organized. Enjoy your newly unbundled inbox experience.